Hello student, today we will do question number 6 from exercise 6.2 NCERT Mathematics class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. See, question number 6, we have to prove this. To prove C parallel QR. This is in figure this. This is figure. So proof in triangle OPQ given AB parallel PQ. So according to BPT, AB parallel PQ means A by AP is equal to OB by PQ. This is first A by BPQ, basic proportionality theorem. Now in triangle OPR, triangle OPR, AC parallel PR. So here also OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. This is also by basic proportionality theorem, but this is parallel to this. So from 1 and 2, get see here, this is also OA by AP, here also OA by AP. So this and this will be equal to OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. This is so now entangle R QR. We have OB by PQ is equal to OC by CR. So by converse of BPT, therefore BC will be parallel to QR. This we have to prove by converse of BPT. I hope you must have understood the solution. Today up to here, we will meet in the next session with next question. Till then, take care.